Bybit app. The pros, the cons. The Bybit app is designed for cryptocurrency derivatives trading, but also offers spot trading. You won't believe how fast and intuitive this app feels, even with advanced trading tools. Pros include leverage trading for experienced traders, a responsive interface, and real-time price alerts. The app supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major coins with advanced charting and risk management tools. Security is strong with two-factor authentication, cold wallet storage, and withdrawal limits. Bybit also offers educational resources and occasional trading competitions with rewards. Cons include the risk associated with leverage trading. Beginners can lose money quickly if they're not careful. Bot trading options are more limited compared to other full-service exchanges, and customer support can be slow during high-traffic periods. In conclusion, the Bybit app is perfect for experienced traders looking for a fast, secure platform with leverage options. Beginners should be cautious and start with smaller positions to understand the risks.